Do you want to reduce quality of your images but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, I believe you are doing very well. In this video, I will tell you how you can reduce quality of your images free of cost with few simple steps. So let's start the video. First of all, I will open the image. So this is the image. We will downgrade quality of this image. You can see the quality is very high. Picture is in HD quality. So first of all, open your browser and search reduce image quality online, and you will see many websites, but you have to open Moonpick website. This website is very good to reduce quality. Open this website in new tab. Here we go. Then you will see this kind of page. You will see two options: choose files and drag and drop. You can also drag and drop your images into this website, or choose file, select the file and open it into this website. Then loading will start, and then you will see 80% option below. You can write to 110, and after that you can press the OK button, and this is how the quality will be reduced. And now you will see download option. Click on download and image will be downloaded into your PC. Now I will open the image which we just downgraded. This is the picture, and you can see the quality is very low now. Now we will compare with the HD quality image and downgraded image, and you can see the difference very clearly. So friends, this is how you can downgrade your image quality with few simple steps and free of cost. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel, click on the notification bell as well for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.